Hey Fitness fam, welcome back to Bolt Nutrition channel where we break down fitness myths and give you the real facts behind supplements. I am Parav Pandya and today we are tackling a hot topic, creatine do's and don'ts and how to take it and what mistakes to avoid. Let's break it down. Creatine is one of the most researched supplement in the world. Boost strength and power to fuel high intensity workouts, enhance muscle recovery to speed up post-workout repair, replenish ATP or energy sources, improves endurance and performance. Simply put, creatine helps you train harder and recover faster, but only if it's taken in right way. To get most out of the creatine, follow these proven do's. First, do take 3 to 5 grams per day, an optimal dose for muscle saturation. Second, do stay hydrated. Creatine pulls water in your muscles, so don't forget to fuel your body. Third, do take it daily, including your rest days, as consistency is key for long-term benefits. Fourth, do pair it with carbs for better absorption. Taking creatine with any fruit juice or a meal can improve the absorption. Creatine isn't just a pre-workout supplement, it works best when taken consistently. Now let's talk about what not to do while taking creatine. First, do not dry scoop it. It needs water to dissolve and absorb properly. Second, don't overdose. Taking more than 5 grams a day won't give an extra benefit but cause bloating. Third, don't expect immediate results. Creatine takes few weeks to show its full effect, so be patient. Fourth, don't skip hydration. Not drinking enough water can lead to dehydration and cramps. Creatine is not a magic pill, but when taken correctly, it can take your performance to the next level. Creatine loading is when you take 20 grams per day, split into 4 doses for 5 to 7 days. Then drop to 3 to 5 grams per day. But is it necessary? First, loading phase, faster muscle saturation, quicker strength gain. Second, standard dose 3 to 5 grams daily, takes few weeks to saturate but works as well as over time. If you want faster result, loading phase helps. But if you prefer steady and hassle-free approach, stick to 3 to 5 grams daily. When is the best time to take creatine? Here's what research says. First, before workout, helps with energy and strength during training. Second, after workout, enhance recovery and muscle replenishment. Third, anytime. Consistency matters more than timing. Take it whenever it fits your routine, but make sure to take it daily for best results. This is where Bolt Nutrition Creatine stands out from the rest. 100% pure creatine monohydrate, the most researched and effective form. No fillers, no additives, only clean, science-backed ingredients. Ultra-fine micronized powder dissolves instantly with zero clumps. And of course, it mixes effortlessly with no gritty textures. Alright squad, now you know the do's and don'ts of the creatine. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Bolt Nutrition channel for more fitness and nutrition breakdown. And if you are ready to take your workout to the next level, Bolt Nutrition Creatine is waiting for you. Link in the description. See you in the next one. Till then, stay fueled, stay strong and keep pushing your limits.